Tips for using washcloths. After washing your face, you can use it to wipe the sink and then reuse it as a mop. After mopping the floor, it would be as clean as if it's gone through polishing. This M310 robot vacuum can reuse washcloths, making it eco-friendly. Not only can it easily identify and avoid items as small as the size of a lipstick 1.5 centimeter, it can also easily avoid items even in complex home environments. Brushless suction inlet design at the bottom, cleaning up hair without entanglement compared to other roller brush design. The cat litter on the floor can also be cleaned up. All kinds of dust can be swept away in one go, even in tight corners. App remote control is as caring as a little nanny who cleans silently at home. Freedom of housework without having to do it yourself.